Hello friends, today we are going to see the topic T cell receptor. The figure shows a schematic diagram of T cell receptor which is expressed on the surface of T cells as a heterodimer. The three-dimensional structure of T cell receptor has been determined by X-ray crystallography. The mature T cells display thousands of heterodimer surface receptors known as T cell receptor. In the plasma membrane, the T cell receptor chains alpha and beta are associated with 6 additional adapter proteins to form an octameric complex. Now we will see the detailed structure of a T cell receptor. It is a heterodimer of two polypeptide chains alpha, which is 40 to 50 kilodalton, and beta, which is 35 to 47 kilodalton, covalently linked by a disulfide bond. Both alpha and beta chains are similar to immunoglobulin, each consisting of a variable and constant region. Both alpha and beta chains contribute to receptor formed by the variable regions and are also associated non-covalently with 4 different complex proteins: gamma, delta, epsilon, known as CD3 molecule, along with zeta chain to form a octameric complex. The variable regions in both the alpha and beta chains together forms the antigen binding site and contributes to the diversity of T cell receptor. So, a TCR is actually a complex of proteins, alpha and beta proteins, together forming the antigen recognition sites, along with invariant CD3 proteins and the zeta proteins as a signaling molecules. The cytoplasmic tail of the T cell receptor is extremely short. Hence, the CD3 adapter proteins contain the signaling motifs needed for propagating the signal from the trigger TCR into the cell. The T cell receptor present on T cells is a complex of polypeptides along with presence of specific membrane proteins called as coreceptors. The T cell receptor does not recognize free antigen. Instead, T cell receptor recognizes antigen only when it is bound to a particular classes of self molecules, that is major histocompatibility complex molecules, which are recognized by specific coreceptors. The coreceptors define the specificity of T cell receptor to major histocompatibility complex class 1 or 2 molecules and increases binding affinity of T cell receptor to major histocompatibility complex to propagate cell to cell interaction. Now we'll see subpopulations of T lymphocytes depending on type of coreceptor present along with T cell receptor. Majorly, two coreceptors CD4 and CD8 defines two functional subpopulations of T lymphocytes, which are helper T cells and cytotoxic T cells. Thus, the expression of T cell receptor along with one of the co-receptors defines two major functional subpopulations of T lymphocytes. CD4 T cells generally functions as T helper cells and binds to MHC class II molecules of antigen presenting cell, whereas CD8 T cells generally functions as cytotoxic T cells and binds to MHC molecules of class I of the target cell. Thus, MHC2 peptide complexes expressed on the surface of antigen presenting cell are recognized by T cell receptor of CD4 lymphocytes, that is T helper cells, whereas MHC class I peptide complexes expressed on variety of cells are recognized by T cell receptor of CD8 T lymphocytes, that is cytotoxic T cells. Hope you have understood the structure of T cell receptor. Thank you.